Hello everyone, this is my 2021 Ducati Diavel 1260. I've recently changed the Termignoni exhaust. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So I thought today let's do a sound test. So I'm gonna do the exhaust sound without the baffle, and then I'm gonna install the baffle and then do the sound test again. So just for you guys to listen to the sound, with the baffle and without. Unfortunately, I forgot to take a video before I installed this Termignoni exhaust. But I did make a video about a month ago with the same bike, but with the factory exhaust. I actually did a sound test with this bike versus my previous bike, Honda 2019 Honda CBR 500. So I did a sound test, compare the exhaust with this bike to my CBR 500. So you guys can, if you guys want to listen to the original sound of this bike, you can find that video and then have a listen. But for now, let's do a test. So basically what I would do is I would turn the engine and let it idle. I already warm up the engine, so it's not a cold start, okay? And so you guys can listen to the sound when it's idling. And I'm gonna rev it to probably 2000, and I try to stay at 2000. I know it's kind of hard, but I will do my best. And then I'm gonna rev it to maybe 4000, and after that I'm gonna install the baffle, and let's try that. But first of all, I guess I need to open my garage, otherwise it's too loud. And if you can see my ears, I actually had the ear muff in there because it's actually really loud. That's why I'm thinking to put the baffle. Okay, so here you go. There you go. I'm gonna install the baffle and do it again. Okay, so in case if you guys are wondering, so this is the baffle. So all you need to do is put this in, and so you can see there's a little screw hole here. So all you need to do is put it in and line this hole to this hole, and then put the ball in. That's it. Alright, so I just put the baffle in, and it's pretty easy, compared to putting the baffle on my previous, slip-on exhaust. This is actually very easy. But I can imagine if I'm gonna take this out, it's gonna be a little bit difficult because this is kind of a tight fit. So I know removing the screw will be easy, but to pull this out, it might take some effort. It's easy to do it now because I just put it in, right? So it's no oxidation or anything, so it's pretty smooth. But I can foresee, if I put it down for a season or two, if I want to remove it, it's not gonna be an easy task. Though I don't see why I would want to remove it because it's really loud. I know you guys been hearing this over the your computer or your phones, but if you really listen in person, it's extremely loud. It's you know, without the baffle, it's super loud. It's just yeah, and so I can bear that. Maybe you can, but for me, I know it's too loud for me. So anyway, let's enough say. Let's do a sound test. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm gonna go to this side this time because it's nicer picture, right? So. Right, there you go, guys. So that's the sound test with and without the baffle. You guys be the judge of that. But I don't know, I like the sound without the baffle, but it's just extremely loud. So I'm afraid I'm just gonna put the baffle in. Anyway, see you next time.